everyone, this is Judy with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up my classic horizontal planner, which I use for hand-lettered inspirational quotes for the week of November 29th through December 5th. And the theme I'm going to go with is actually from my Facebook group, Happy Planning Tips and Tricks. Our challenge is 'Tis the Season, or your favorite beverage. And I know I just did coffee last week, which is one of my favorite beverages. I guess I was thinking about this challenge ahead of time. But so for this spread though, I am going to do, since I have many favorite beverages, I like tea, I like iced coffee, I like hot coffee, I love wine. I have this older recollections book it's just all kinds of beverages. Wine time, there's champagne, it's got iced coffee, hot coffee, tea, like mixed margaritas, mixed drinks. So I'm just going to use this book. It's got these gorgeous pastel colors. And lots of different boxes and things. So I just thought I would try to make each cluster about a different beverage. So that is the plan. Let's go ahead and get started. So first thing I want to do, always that I end up doing, is worrying about covering these up. I'm going to go ahead and white out notes, even though I think, so there are no clear stickers in this little sticker book. They are all paper stickers. So, and I've used it a few different times. I think I want to start with a big sticker. Coffee is always a great idea. I want to start with this big sticker right here in the corner. Oops. In the corner to cover up that this week. I'll just snug it right into the corner as far as I can. There we go. And that still leaves me room for a big word. A smaller big word, but a big worm. Word. There we go. All right. So let's build a little cluster here. This book also has a couple different box options for me to use for who to attribute the quote to. So I think this beer mug is meant to be written on, but I don't have to write on it. Of all the beverages in this book, beer is probably my least favorite. So, and I'm not really, ooh, this is cute. No poor decisions. Sip happens. Margarita amiga. Drink rosé all day. See, these are just salt and lime. It's margarita time. These are just such good quotes. I should do margarita, like Taco Tuesday. I should do margarita on Tuesday. I don't give a frap. Rise and grind. So I'm kind of looking for one. Since I want to come down and catch this little bit of white out here from the word notes, I was looking for something that was kind of dipped down underneath. But this is really too big. Here we go. I like this tea time one, and it's kind of curved. Let's use that. And maybe I can find a, fit it right around the punch here so I don't have to get my punch out. We'll try to make it straight so that the top of the tea cup is straight, so that it looks straight to me. There we go. Okay, and let's find a box to put on there to write who the quote is by, who to attribute the quote to. I think my best option is going to be, where was that page that had the small boxes? Must have been toward the back. We'll save that for a beer cluster. Here we go. If I write small, I can use this. This one looks a little bit like iced tea. That's about the only option, I think. But it's pink and orange, and that's pink and orange. So let's go ahead and use that one. I'll just have to write small, but that's okay. I can do that. Okay, cool. So we can put a quote there. Let's put something here. Something not iced coffee and not tea. Those are coffee. I kind of like this no pour decisions. I'm getting a lot of pink already though. Wine time, rosé today. There's not a lot of beer here, you guys. Oh, beer o'clock. Here, let's put beer o'clock on there. And actually, I'm going to put it up. I'm going to put it up. I want to put, let's go ahead and put another tribute box on there. Ooh, we got to use this one. It's got the beer mug on it. The beer stein, actually. I think I want to save that one and use this one. This one looks more like a beer mug. More obviously a beer mug. Next, I think there's even stuff in here about soda, which I haven't. I drink fizzy water, but I haven't had soda in a long, long time. Yeah, there's cute little pop bottles. Let's put these on there. So I've got 2 boxes for attributing quotes. We will leave this one without. I like that. It looks like they're clinking. Let's put pop up there in the corner. Or depending on what part of the country you're from, you could say pop or you could say soda. I want this one. I like this color compared to the bottles. So I'm going to put this up here and then kind of angle the bottles around it. There we go. That's cute. Okay. So let's do, I want to work my way out from here because I want to put the margaritas, like, yeah, on Tuesday for like Taco Tuesday. So I'm going to scoot it up against the punch again as close as I can. Margarita amiga. And let's see, is there a box? This is going to be a quick one, I think, you guys. These stickers are so cute. They just do themselves. Yeah, this one. It's even the right color. See, that's why I'm liking using this book, because everything's pretty much made to go together and coordinate. So okay. So we'll come over here. I kind of feel like I want another coffee one up here on Monday. Oh, there's even bubble tea in here, you guys. And champagne. Rise and grind. I like that. And then I love these little coffee mugs. I'm thinking I could put a coffee mug on there. Let's tuck it under. And how about a heart or 2? Oops. It's a tiny little sticker. It's hard to grab. Okie dokie. I should put bubble tea on here or some. I don't give a crap. It's so tempting to just do all coffee again, you guys, but I just did coffee. I want those bubble teas. I was surprised to see those in here. I didn't remember that. Yes, I like that. So if I go here, the straw is even going in the right direction to fit around Wednesday. That's perfect. Okay. I'm not sure there is a box with bubble tea. Nope. So let's see if there's is there a word here that could go with it? Happy. I always think of happy, bubble tea, happy. Here's, like, those are pretty big. Let's go with hoppy, not happy. I'm just gonna put drink on there. Why not? Just because I want a little something on there. Favorite beverage, drink. Okay, so now we need to come over here and we'll put our last, we'll put one more box on there. This says tea time, but I don't have like a tea bag anywhere. The other thing is those 2 champagne glasses that were on the front. Maybe I'll save that for like a New Year's spread. I really like the tea bag. Let's see what... No, there's no box with a tea bag. I don't have wine on here anywhere. Oh, here's some more. Oh, that's the one I already used. I could cover this. So if I find tea that I like, I could cover the end of one of those boxes. I like that. No poor decisions. And I don't have a martini anywhere. Martinis are yummy too. Let's do that one. I just got convinced. Oh, except then I've got yellow and yellow. Maybe if I put this down and I put a different color box above it, that'll help break that up a little bit. So let's move this way down and way over close to the punches. There. Okay, now, was there a... There is. And oh, and it's purple. Perfect. I guess I didn't need to move that down quite so low. There we go. This is pretty. I'm gonna get to use lots of pretty pastel pens on this spread. It's gonna be fun. There we go. No poor decisions. That looks pretty good. Just trying to see if there's anything I want way, 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 way up at the top. I could put just some random stuff like this. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do just some random kinda. There's a tea bag. Can you even see that? No. And here's a little cluster of coffee beans. And what else? Here's a little cup of hot chocolate or something with whipped cream on top. I just feel like I always leave the top really empty, you know? Oh, there's a bunch of little stuff I have never used. Ooh, how about a couple little soda pop bottles? Or a can. Here's a can of soda. Let's put something, just a couple more. Since I'm having fun filling things up, why not? Oh, that's nice. The 2 little teacups together. That fills that space. One more thing for right there. How about the teapot? The tea kettle. There we go. Okay, that's cute. So again, I got this at Michael's, but It was at least 2 years ago. It was pre-COVID. I've had it for a long time, but sometimes they carry these forever and ever. So you can see if you can find it there at Michael's. So there we go. I have slacked off big time on my hand letter quotes. I haven't done any since October, so I'm hopefully going to pick that back up. I've promised myself I will. It's just, you know, with Thanksgiving, it's gonna be a little bit before I do. So, but I will be doing some after the pens on these so you can see how they look. And I do want to use those hand lettering skills I've been working so hard on all year. So anyway, I hope you like this video. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.